Hello everyone, my name is Trevor with Emmer's Fireplaces and Grills, and today we are going to be doing a review of the Napoleon EFL48 electric linear fireplace. Now as you can see behind me, we have it turned off currently, but this is a real modern, sleek fireplace that's new from Napoleon to 2011. It's one of their newer electric fireplaces, and they really kind of revamped their whole electric fireplace line. We see a lot of vast improvements from their old products when we took this out and kind of gave it a test run. So we'll kind of go over some features, ways to make it easy for installation, and some helpful tips to make you, the consumer, feel a little more comfortable in your purchase of this fireplace today. So we'll start by turning it on. It's going to come standard with remote control, batteries obviously included, and what you're going to see is you're going to see 4 flame functions, and when you turn it off it's going to automatically put it in the off position obviously, and then you're going to have to start with it in the lowest setting. So that's the lowest setting, and we're going to go up 3 more settings after this that you can kind of take a look at. And this is a feature that's kind of newer to Napoleon's products as far as their electric fireplace line. In the past it was just on-off, and this is really helpful because you can really kind of control what the ambiance is going to be of the room and kind of what the feel is at the time for your installation. As far as other functions of the fireplace itself, you're going to see here, we'll put this back on, but you're going to see you have a fan option as well. The blower is actually located at the top, and it's going to blow convection heat out the top. So it's important not to obstruct anything up there. And then that has 2 functions. It has off, and then a low and a high setting as well. And so we can see now that the blower is on, and it does put out about 5,000 BTUs, so a good amount of heat. It'll definitely heat a living room for sure. When you take it out of the box, there's a couple important things you're going to want to take note of. First thing is your installation manual. It's important to hold on to this for a couple reasons. One, it's before you install it, it's obviously good to read through this to make sure you're doing your proper installation. Second of all, your installation manual is going to have your serial number. Now the reason this serial number is important, you're going to want to hold on to this sticker because you're going to want to register it on Napoleon's website. And how to do that is in the installation manual. That's important for your warranty to be valid. It is a good warranty. Napoleon does make a high quality product. Everything minus the light bulb going out is going to be a lifetime warranty. No ifs, ands, or buts. Napoleon's going to replace it. So get with your dealer on who you buy your fireplace from, and they can help you with any warranty products on that. Second thing you're going to want to make sure you hold on to is this template. They do provide you a template to make installation very easy. There's basically 2 screws that mount this fireplace, and this template gives you the spacing on them. So you kind of level this off on your wall that you're installing it on, mark your 2 holes here, and then basically put your plastic anchors in, and then you'll install your screws, and you'll kind of leave those hanging out a bit, and then your fireplace basically with 2 people kind of clips onto those screws. And so it's real simple to do. It's about 50 some pounds, so you're going to want to make sure to use those anchors, but installation we couldn't be happier with this fireplace. My wife and I installed this in this application in less than 5 minutes. You don't need a tape measure because you have your template. You basically need a hammer and a screwdriver. Really basic. So once you take it out of the box, you basically have 3 components. The actual fireplace itself, the river rocks are going to be in their own box, and then the glass is separate. So what you're going to do is mount the actual fireplace itself, lay your river rocks in what's appropriate for your setting, and then this basically hooks on the same way the fireplace would go onto the wall. It kind of hooks onto these clips on the back here. So you and your helper can do that pretty easily. As far as performance, like we talked about, you are going to get convection heat, but what's nice is you can turn that blower off if you want it just for aesthetics only. And so that also is a nice feature. Now we purposely mounted it here above a couch rather, so you can kind of get a feel of size. We know you can look online and see the specifications, but it doesn't really give you a good gauge of what it's going to look like in your house, in your living room. So we kind of put it above a couch here. You can kind of get a perspective here on how much space this is really going to take up in your home. And then another key reason for this video is to give you, a really good look of what it's going to look like burning, turned on. And so we're going to take a look at that now. We'll zoom in on the fireplace here for you to really show you what it's going to look like. At home, when you're on the computer, you can see pictures and they're kind of small, but it kind of really leaves you wondering, what is this going to look like when it's in use? And so that really is the purpose of this video, and Napoleon's really stepped it up a notch as far as their flame characteristics. Really does a great job replicating a natural gas fireplace. Advantages to their product: doing an electric fireplaces like this, we see these are great for installations if you're renting, where you can't do extensive remodel. It's easy to relocate. You can relocate it if you kind of move from home to home if you're in an apartment. Also great if you don't have the means to vent a gas fireplace. It's also environmentally friendly. You can go green with Napoleon's fireplaces. They don't put on any emissions or any carbon monoxide into the air. Simply just plug it in. So after you have it like this, you just plug it into any standard outlet and you're good to go. If we had to have one complaint with the fireplace, we wish the power cord was a little bit longer. If you don't have an outlet nearby, you may have to do an extension cord or something like that. But really, that's our only complaint. And so we hope you enjoyed this video to kind of give you a good glimpse and feel comfortable with your purchase of your Napoleon EFL 48 linear electric fireplace. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Embers Fireplaces and Grills for online tutorials, other consumer product reviews, and also our promotions and giveaways. We do monthly giveaways, and so it's important to follow us there so you can get all the information that you need on our products. Also, our website, www.blazingembers.com, our fireplaces are available for purchase there. Also, be sure to check out our eBay store. You can find us on eBay for Napoleon's products as well. But definitely stay tuned for other tutorials. We're going to be doing a lot of product reviews of other electric fireplaces, gas fireplaces, and you can call us at any time too if you have any questions on products or kind of want to go over installation. We can help you with that. So we hope you enjoyed our review of our Napoleon EFL 48 electric fireplace.